Hey guys! In this video, I will show you how to get passport pages in Rise of Kingdoms. Alright, let's begin! One of the primary ways to acquire these items is directly through your active alliance. First, tap on the Alliance menu option from your main screen and navigate to the Alliance Shop dashboard. To purchase a passport page from this marketplace, you will need to spend individual Alliance credits, which you accumulate by participating in daily group tasks, technology donations, and help requests. If you find that the Alliance shop is currently completely out of stock, a higher-ranking member with leadership privileges will need to replenish the inventory. Players with R4 or R5 management authority can instantly restock a passport page into the pool by spending 100,000 Global Alliance credits from the shared treasury. Once the item is successfully restocked, any individual member can purchase it directly from the market list. You can safely collect these pages in your inventory and save them up for your upcoming world migration process. So that's basically how you can get passport pages in Rise of Kingdoms. That's it for this video. Thanks.